So I've been attempting on how to do a more of a natural eyebrow look for you guys, since some of you guys do not like that really like Instagram brow. So if you want to see how to do it, just keep on watching. So I'm gonna be applying some powder, and the powder shade I use is in the shade Donut, and this shade I got it from the Morphe 8L palette, which is a highlight and contour palette. And the reason I am using the shade Donut is because it is a lighter shade than my eyebrow hair color, and this will help it not be as dark. I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in the shade Granite with this angled brush by Simply Simons, and I'm going to be using this with a very light hand to add some hair-like strokes on any of the gaps I have. And what I'm doing first is outlining the bottom of my eyebrow with a very light hand, starting from the middle, and then as you see, I'm just simply adding some more pomade in the areas where I feel like there's gaps. Taking a spoolie, I am just going to be running this through the eyebrow hairs just to remove any of the excess powder and any chunks I may have in my hairs. If you like how your eyebrow is looking now, you could just leave it as is, but I do like to clean out my eyebrow using some concealer just to give it more of a better shape. And I'm going to be taking the Tarte Shape Tip Concealer in the shade Light Sand, and I'm just going to be cleaning out my brow. To clean out my eyebrows, I am using this Urban Decay little brush, and this brush just came with the electric palette. I do not know the name of it, it just came with the palette and I really like it. And I'm just doing the same thing on the top of my eyebrow, just cleaning it out. I'm going to be taking this mini Morphe sponge, and I'm going to be using this to blend out that concealer from the top and the bottom of my eyebrows. To set my brows in place, what I found best, what works for me, is spraying some hairspray on the spoolie, and this will help them stay in place all day. Taking my Morphe M134 brush, I am taking some highlight, and the highlight I'm using is by the Aurora Glow Kit by ABH, and I'm taking the shade Eclipse and applying this on my brow bone. And that is the last step for these eyebrows. I hope you guys really liked this eyebrow tutorial, and I hope it was somewhat more of a natural look than my before post. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button, and as always, like and share. And I'll see you guys in my next video.